One of my aunts went through that, but it wasn't that bad, I think. She was having chemo done. She was saying that stuff is really painful.
I was gonna go spear fishing there. I got a spear gun to go and a wetsuit and stuff.
That's nice.
Yeah, some of the videos I go through too here. I was wearing a wetsuit and scuba gear. And then, you know, the guy's trying to get me to open the windows. I have the water spraying and the windshield wipers going to offer to break the window open for him instead of roll it down, things like that.
That's nice. Where do you go scuba diving?
I don't go scuba diving, just with the snorkeling. Like
Oh.
with the wetsuit and stuff.
Just that little mask?
Huh?
With the little mask?
Mask, yeah. I was taking a class in scuba diving, but I didn't go take the test. And to get the tanks, you need to have a card before you can check out a air tank.
Oh, like a permit?
Mm-hmm.
Like a permit?
Yeah. It took a scuba diving class. It was in Kwanis Park back in the early 90s.
What was this?
Huh? Kwanis Park. It was like a wave pool in Kwanis Park. And then you could take a test at Saguaro Lake or what was it? San Carlos, Mexico. Where was what? The class?
No, that park. Where is it at?
It's over. Not Kyrene, but in between.
Kwanis.
Huh?
Kwanis?
Yeah, maybe. Is that how you pronounce it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I know him by Kwanis Park. The one with the little lake.
Yeah, it's got.
And they have like two sections of it. They have one close to what is it? Guadalupe.
Yeah, it's in between.
Guadalupe and Baseline.
Baseline.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah.
Everybody says Kwanis. I say Kwanis.
Okay.
my kid says Kiwanis Park.
Okay.
I didn't know they used to do that back then, though.
Yeah.
That went on?
You're recording this, too?
Yeah. I record everything.
That's good.
A lot of stuff I don't know it's gonna do very well. It just surprises me. Yeah, like record oil changes and stuff. Sometimes I
oil change.
got a house with an oil pit, so I did that once, but then I built like a box above it. I was planning to build like a kind of a virtual reality thing above it, just put TVs all around and kind of take these videos that I'm driving down the road and make it look like you're going down the road in the
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. It takes a lot of time, I bet, huh?
Yeah.
It's getting hotter again.
Yeah. You ever use a tent or anything above the cars, or
No.
no?
I usually during the summer I try to look for some shade.
Yeah.
But not all the time I get shade. It's been a while since I've been doing this, so I'm pretty much used to it. I mean, I've been living here most of my life, so. Get used to it.
Uh-huh.